Now today, let's start with chapter number 11, Be Healthy, Live Longer. So we should remain healthy, and if you are healthy, you will remain alive for longer time. So to stay healthy, we must eat nutritious food, exercise daily, and take precautions against disease. Medical science is very advanced today. That is why we live longer than RNS. So medical instrument, what are medical instrument? First is clinical thermometer. So the thermometer of the human body is measured by clinical thermometer. It measures in degrees, Fahrenheit and Celsius. It is invented by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit. और कब invent हुआ था? 1740. So the normal body temperature of human is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit and 37 degrees Celsius. When the body temperature goes above this level, तो आपको मतलब क्या है? Fever, right? So before the thermometer was invented, doctor judged the degree of person fever by touching the body. या फिर वो आपकी pulse check. इससे हम क्या करते हैं? टेम्परेचर को देखते हैं and it helps the doctor in treating the patient. और ये help करता है patient को treat करने. So the scale market on the thermometer ranges between 95 degree Fahrenheit to 110. Both are analogs or digital. आपको analog में मिलेगा और digital thermometer. Then we have stethoscope that enables doctor to hear the heartbeat and breathing clearly. So Dr. Ren Leonard has noticed two children. They were sitting on the two ends of the long hollow log of wood. They were whistling through it, and even the faintest sound could be heard through the log. So what happened? The doctor was amazed. क्योंकि डॉक्टर बहुत अमेज रहा. Back in his clinic, Dr. Relet, it's tried an experiment and he rolled up a newspaper and placed on the end of chest piece. और दूसरे एंड को अपने ईयर पे रखा और उसने हार्ट बीट को चेक कर. नेक्स्ट इज माइक्रोस्कोप. इट इज an instrument that makes very small object look big. Microscope was not invented by any person. Once the owner of the optician shop in Holland, he was flying through two lenses and he placed one behind another. And he was surprised to see that how big the fly is. So he used his observation to invent the free glass, which could magnify things, which became very popular in Europe. And it's learned about this invention and it's improved it. So what he used two lenses in microscope. So what was an important invention to fight against disease? The cause of various diseases could be known. So scientists were able to identify the germs and finding the cause made it easier to find the methods of cure. आप उसको कैसे cure कर सकते, right? So new machines, scientists and doctors all over the world, they were continuously working to develop new and advanced machines to understand what goes inside the human body, like X-ray, ultrasound, CT, CAT scan, MRI machine. The machine also helps in surgery. You will find out the full form of CAT and MRI. First is surgery, an operation in which body is cut open to cover an injury is called surgery. Surgery is performed by special doctor, जिसको हम surgeon कहते हैं, and they perform surgery using many instruments and medicine. Now, over the years, doctors have learned a lot about human body. So, wondered medicines. Finding the cause of disease is only your aspect. The most important aspect is to cure it. So, medicines help doctor. So, सबसे जो important medicine है वो है chloroform. It is earlier surgery was very painful, so all surgeries were carried out without making the patient unconscious. लेकिन अब आप anesthesia देते हैं patients को जिससे surgery easily हो सके. So, chloroform was probably the first medicine which is used to give anesthesia, right? So, James Simpson was the first to use chloroform in surgery. Inhaling chloroform. जैसे आप inhale करोगे chloroform को, तो क्या होगा? आप unconscious condition में चले जाओगे. Next is penicillin. In 1928, it was discovered by Sir Alexander Fleming. It is an antibiotic. It prevents infection in the body by preventing growth of bacteria. Disease जैसे आपके मलेरिया हो गई, कोलेरा हो गई, प्लाग हो गई, ट्यूबरक्लोसिस हो गई, इनको आप fully cure कर सकते हैं. Now, preventing disease, vaccination. Smallpox, deadly disease, was a common है, and the vaccine to prevent smallpox was discovered by Edward Jenner. ठीक है? और जो Jenner है उन्होंने observe करा that who had been infected with cowpox. The test this theory, Dr. Jenner incubated a boy with cowpox, and a boy suffered from mild cowpox was soon recovered. Later, he inoculated the same boy with smallpox. To his delight, the boy showed no sign of the dread disease. In this way, Dr. Jenner found protection against smallpox. And later, anti-smallpox has been developed, and today you can see that smallpox have been almost wiped out. Right? Vaccines were made for tuberculosis, cholera, tetanus, yellow fever, polio, and typhoid. Then we have pasteurization. What is pasteurization? Louis Pasteur was a French scientist जिन्होंने उसको डेवलप करा था टू किल जर्म्स, राइट? So he found that milk is heated for half an hour at a certain temperature and then cooled. So germs in it was killed, and it's process known as pasteurization. And who invented it? Louis Pasteur. Then we have antiseptic. Some chemicals are used to kill germs. We are called antiseptic. More than 150 years ago, Joseph Lister, a British surgeon, he discovered infectious could be prevented by washing wounds in solution, जिसको हम कार्बोलिक एसिड कहते हैं. What we call that कार्बोलिक एसिड. इससे क्या होता है? पेशेंट यूज टू डाई. पेशेंट क्या होता था? मर जाता था बिकॉज ऑफ द इन्फेक्टेड वाउंड, स्पेशली आफ्टर सर्जरी. सो ही हैज डिस्कवर्ड फर्स्ट एंटीसेप्टिक जिससे आप वाउंड्स को डिसइंफेक्ट कर. राइट? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.